Good morning to everybody. I'm Proietti, and my work researching activity is about recycling of carbon fiber composites. So my researching activity is with circular economy. So in particular, circular economy is about the life cycle of products and material in general. So in a traditional vision of the life cycle of the product, we have raw material extraction, raw material processing, and then the object manufacturing, object usage, and then the installation. So in this division that is called circular, after the usage phase, we have the recovery phase. So in each part, we recover the material, we recover the object, so that we can reuse it and to preserve our planet, just decreasing the amount of wasted material. And in this way, we can preserve our planet and all this beautiful landscape here. So what are composite materials? So composites are used to manufacture like products that we use in our daily life. They are very common in aerospace industry, automotive industry, and also sports industry. They have very light weight when you compare them with metals, and they have very good mechanical properties. So it can be forecast that in future here they will be used in so many applications, and then their impact on the planet will be of a great importance. So these materials are the material I use in my lab. So here you can see kind of composite. One is automotive composite, and another one is for aeronautic applications. So what I do during my PhD, so I try to find a way to recover these materials. These materials can be very difficult to recover. This is because they can have very peculiar molecular nature, and so their recyclability is very hard. So this topic is a very well-known issue in scientific community. So in my researching activity, science knowledge, innovation, creativity, as well as experimentation, team working, have a synergetic effect on the find of these new methods for recycling. The lab experiences are dominant importance. So I have to use many machines. Some of them are here, and they can characterize the material, they can characterize the process itself, they have robots, they have a high manufacturing machine. So there are a lot of tests that can be performed, and I have very important to determine to perform my research. So here there's an example of my research activity because we can really see what I do. So, okay, on the top, you can find a dismissed composite. So, the goal is to find a new application for that material that cannot be used anymore for its original application. So, at first, I performed a simulation just to assess the bottlenecks of the recycling activity and all the experimental part. So after that, I go to the lab and I did the actual experimentation. So the actual experimentation can have several steps. Here I have reported the main two steps. So first, there's the recovery of the composite material, and then we have its manufacturing. The manufacturing is a very important step because it is the step that gives the main properties to the composite. So the recycled composite that I have obtained has very good mechanical properties, so it can be reused. And it also has extra and additional properties because of the remanufacturing processes that I implement. So the main challenges that are related to this kind of researching activity are obviously related to experiments, because experimental design in this kind of research has a prominent importance. So experiment design is just when you think what you are going to do in the lab. So you try to assess the issue and the bottlenecks before they really occur. After that, you go to the lab and there are experimental setting issues. that relate to the machines, to the samples, and they are really practical problems that are related to differences between what is theoretical and what is real, what really happens. During the experimentation, you collect a lot of data, and then their analysis has a very strong impact on the result of your research, because you have to be accurate and you have to be focused. And so this step is very important. At last, dissemination can be a big issue. So in order to favor the progress of the scientific community, you have to disseminate your research. You have to make people aware of your work. And the way in which the results are reported can make a great difference, because you have to make results clear in such a way that people can understand the work and can understand the importance of your researching activity. So, especially at the beginning of the research activity, when there's a lack of experience, because you are just young and you are just starting, there can be a lot of issues. And experience is the best way maybe to solve this problem. So what can you do when you are just beginning? It's just talking with people that are more experienced than you, that work in yours, that can give you other point of views toward the issue you are facing, so that you can have a complete vision of the problem, and you can assess different parts of the problem. Also, I can suggest you to bibliographic research. If the bibliographic research is extensive, so you read books, you read a lot of papers, then you can not only understand what other people are doing around the world, but how they are facing the problem, and this can be really, really helpful. So, at the very beginning, when the researching activity, there can be a lot of issues. But then, if you learn from your mistake, if you stay focused, and if you love what you do, at the end you will find a way to overcome all these issues, and so you will succeed in your researching activity. So, thank you so much for your